Remember a time Rasta couldn't eat. Rasta never have nowhere to sleep. Mother tell me a story. Long time now. About this Asian woman, a Chinese, who get killed up on the Palisades Road. And then blame Rasta. And then punish Rasta. As Raskabi say, it's like, no man no wants to see no long hair people. Cause we freaky. I know much like the trend I come back. People like call Foota hype. Everything Rasta do, him comment. Ballad can't chastise Rasta. Trust and believe me. See him on Sizzla. See him on Buju. Ballad can't chastise Rasta. You understand? Because you have a camera and you have access to YouTube, that don't mean say, you feel like say, you can comment on everything like you want to chastise Rasta. No ballad can chastise Rasta. If you not wear your crown, that means you not feel it. You understand? Rasta not deal with war, Rasta not deal with Armageddon against nobody. Because remember, there was a time when we never had to eat. And everybody did cool with that. You have some man, them stand up on the corner every day, And when you make your move, all them do is just basically just criticize. What do you Foota hype? No ballad can criticize Rasta. Ease yourself. You can learn from man's mistake. You might even have a better plan. But look, everything a man do, you're there behind them. Where you are though? So, I just that the word, because you don't know already, so I'm not talk unless it's necessary. Peace and love. Blessings.